Web3 development requires a lot of interaction with blockchains. When working with Solana, you will often be reading and writing to the chain. An easy way of doing this will be through JSON-RPC requests to an RPC node participating in the network. When you make an RPC call, you're invoking a procedure or function on a node. Since it's participating in the network, it knows what the latest data is and can expose it to you upon request. Solana currently has 53 RPC methods. Some of the most popular are get account info for getting all the information associated with a specific public key, get block, which returns identity and transaction information about a confirmed block in the ledger, get transaction, which returns transaction details for a confirmed transaction, get balance, which returns the balance of the account of a provided public key, and get latest block hash, which returns data relating to the latest block hash. You can find a full list of all the methods available in the Solana docs, which will be linked below. An easy way to test out RPC methods is through Test Drive, a tool we created that lets you make RPC calls without writing any code. You can head to helius.dev to find the tool there, but there'll also be a link in the description. Here's an example of us getting the latest block hash. You can also use this tool to get sample code and view documentation around the different methods. It is also incredibly easy to use these RPC methods in your code. Here's what a typical JSON-RPC request might look like. You simply make a post request to a Solana RPC node and specify your method and its associated parameters. All RPC calls are made in a similar way. The only two things you need to change are the method and the parameters that the method requires. To run this code through a Helius RPC node, we will need to first generate an API key at dev.helius.xyz. Once we have our RPC URL, we can then use that in our code. This dev portal also allows you to fine-tune your RPC access patterns by only allowing requests from certain IPs or domains. On top of this, you can view usage data through a Datadog dashboard. Now we can replace the standard mainnet RPC URL with our custom Helius URL and call the getBalance RPC method to get the amount of SOL in Anatoly's wallet. You can see the total amount of LAMP ports in this wallet. Converted to SOL, that's 1.47 SOL. If we now want to get information on the current epoch, all we would need to do is change the method to getEpochInfo and then remove any parameters relating to the previous method. Now after we run this, we can see info such as the epoch number and the amount of transactions in this epoch. We hope this short guide was helpful and we can't wait to see what you build on Solana.